Hello YouTube. Today here I have an unboxing special of early Christmas. Christmas Eve this was supposed to come and now it came yesterday instead, surprisingly. First time having a GoPro camera. As you know, I have my Sony camera that I'm filming, and their camera I use for my videos is this one that I've had for a while. This Panasonic here. And it still works. Does videos and pictures. So now I have a third camera which comes in handy when I go on a trip where I'm not having enough battery on my cameras, and then I can have another one use, or I have a camera that's out of memory and then it comes in handy. So here it is. GoPro camera here. Let's see, that's the front side of the box. Here's the side with the accessories that are included. And there's also a little tripod. Here's the other side of the camera box. Yeah, here's the left side. And here's the underside of the camera. Surprisingly, this one was made in Thailand instead of made in China, as I thought these are expected for these cameras. So I open the box here. Excuse the cuckoo clock in the living room. Every hour it does that. This one's well glued on tight. I didn't think it would be this tight on. Alright, almost got open here. So here it is. Here's the box. I pull it out here, and everything is nicely secured in this GoPro bag. Well organized in here. It's a lot smaller here. Here it is. Here's the GoPro itself. There it is. A lot smaller than the camera I'm filming and the other one I showed. Well packaged here. So here it is. The camera itself here. And this is where the stand hooks up. Got the switch there. I'll take time to figure out this camera since it's very new. This is the first GoPro I have so far. So I put back here in the packaging the way I found it, but in here they also include the USB here. This is the little GoPro tripod, it looks like. Yeah, tripod. You can see here the battery packs for the GoPro. Lithium ion. Yeah, these batteries are made in China. Here's some more parts for the GoPro itself here. Tripod stuff looks like. And here it is. Here's the manual. And a little memory card, which is included with the camera. And these are the quick step guides here for the GoPro itself. So I'll take time look at the manual and see what it feels like to use it. I can't wait to do my first video with the camera, but it's exciting as it is because it's the first GoPro I have. So there you go, video of an unboxing, first look of my new GoPro camera. Goodbye.